piece is called Love is a Rain of Diamonds. And it's by American composer Gwyneth Walkera. We have some soloists who will help those diamonds be more sparkly. And they are as follows: Laura Pascal from John F. Kennedy School, Berlin; Tara Venkatesen, American Embassy School, New Delhi; Francis Chang from American International School in Guangzhou; and Song Woo Choi, International School, Beijing.
I'm Molly Martineau. I'm a student of the American Embassy School in New Delhi, India, and I'm presenting Love is a Rain of Diamonds by May Swenson. Love is a rain of diamonds in the mind, the fruit of the soul sliced in two, a dark spring loosed at the lips of light, under-earth waters unlocked from their lurking to sparkle in a crevice parted by the sun, a temple not of stone but cloud, beyond the roar of the heart and all violence, blue permanence.